What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Seng index futures with the ticker symbol HSI1. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm not sure if it's pronounced hang or hung, so I think it's pronounced hung, so I'll just use that for now until you guys probably correct me in the comments down below or confirm. So let's take a look at the daily chart first. Where I left off was last week Sunday. So you see that Monday and the rest of the week was a nice move up, and then we kind of just traded sideways below the EMA. So where does it look like price is headed now? Let's take a look at macro view first. So the macro picture shows that price had a huge move up. Then we started seeing some bearish momentum toward the downside. So this is the target that the bears are trying to reach all this time since April. So you saw the bears made one large leg down. Once price pulled back and started going lower, this was the second leg down right over here, targeting the $17,000 level. So the most the bears has come close to the $17,550 level, and then we saw price move up higher just recently. So are they going to reach the measurable target, or are they going to fail? If they fail, that can lead to a huge reversal in the opposite direction. So right now it's looking likely that we could see a failure by the bears, because we saw price get back above the support level at the 18,200 point. So we could continue higher. However, you can see that we are struggling to surpass this EMA. You can see that price is finding resistance at the mid $18,000 level, and it's unable to surpass it. So we'll see if they can get up there or not. But if they can, I'll be looking for easily the $20,000 level or 20,000 point level, because there's not a lot of resistance between where we are right now and up until there. So that would be the next target if bulls can get there. I mean, Chinese stocks are looking like they want to rally. Some of them not as much as others, but I mean, this will signify, you know, the bullish momentum. So this will tell me if we're really going to see a nice move up by the Chinese stocks. As right now, it's kind of indecisive. It could just fall back down below this level and continue trending lower to the measurable target, or it could be a failure, you know, for that move up higher. So I don't know for sure, but if we can clear the EMA and continue pushing up higher, I think it just becomes more and more likely we reach the $20,000 level once again. But if we break down lower, then you already know where we're going next, the $17,000 level. So this is a decision area. We'll know probably in a few weeks or maybe in a few days where Chinese stocks are headed and where the Seng index is headed. So right now, I'm not entirely sure. I mean, you can see that the bears have been trying a lot of times to go lower, and they're not really that strong. You know, so this could be a failure by them, and we can see a nice rally higher. So that would be my targets that I'm looking at, depending on how price moves in the future. So here's the weekly chart. You can see that we're still below the weekly EMA. However, price is trying to come back into some type of support. So if we see, you know, the continuation to the upside, I'm looking for the $20,000 target and maybe even much higher. So overall, you know, there was this downtrend on the weekly chart from March up until October. So March or February of 2021 up until October 2022. Then we saw this nice impulse up. But after a channel gets a break, you expect two attempts in that direction. So you can already see that we made two legs down, and the bears are having a hard time coming back down to the prior low of the downtrend, and they're barely reaching the measure move target that was right about here. So we'll see if they can get there or not. Right now, you know, it's indecisive. Like I said before, it's unsure. But if we see, you know, nice buying, then I'm looking for the $20,000 target. If we see, you know, prices just fail to find support, then we're going to probably reaching the $17,000 level. So that's what I'm looking at. The Seng index is really make or break. You know, this is it. Maybe when we reach the target, if price does go lower and we reach the target, maybe then we'll see, you know, a nice move up off of that level. Maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, you know, the bears really aren't looking that strong. The bulls might be able to take control of the market if they can continue pushing up the price. So that's all I have for the Seng index this week, Sunday, and I'll probably give you guys an update next week, Sunday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.